What if I tell you that thousands of years before the birth of Jesus Christ,
people in what is now southeast Nigeria were already mastering iron technology?
Many people don't know this, but Leja in Nsukka
Is one of the oldest and most important iron smelting sites in West Africa. While many parts of the world had not yet developed iron technology, Igbo ancestors were already producing iron over 2,000 years before Christ.
Archaeologists uncovered ancient furnaces, large deposits of iron slag, and tools that prove advanced metalworking knowledge.
Scientific testing revealed something shocking.
Iron smelting in Leja dates back to around 2000 BC, and possibly as far as 3000 BC.
This means our ancestors were not waiting to be taught. They were innovators, builders, engineers of their time. This knowledge didn't disappear. It was passed down from generation to generation. A powerful example is Awka, a city known across Igbo land for expert blacksmiths who worked under organized guilds and strict traditions. They traveled across communities, producing tools, weapons, and farming equipment, earning deep respect for their skill.
Leja is not just history. It is proof of intelligence, creativity, and innovation rooted deep in Igbo civilization.
It tells the world a simple truth. Igbo civilization is ancient, sophisticated, and built on knowledge.
this story must be told, protected, and passed on. We are the Njirimara Igbo in association with Njikota Odinana Igbo Gburugburu.